TikTok has a brand new update that lets you post photos instead of videos. Let me show you how it works. First, make sure you update your TikTok app and jump into the TikTok profile and press the plus sign right here. And then you will get access to your camera. This is my front facing camera here, and if you look right over here it says photo. So by default it used to be on the 15-second video, and you have 60-second, 3-minute and 10-minute video as well, but the first one now is photo by default. So all you need to do is take a picture here, or you could press upload, and then it's going to bring you to this page. As soon as you take a picture, you could actually add music here. This is basically a picture, but it's going to be uploaded in kind of a video format where you could have music to it. So I just have mine on mute, but you could add a music. You could remove the music, the X option here, but you have all the different options. So you could actually edit the audio, for example, and record voiceover if you wanted to the picture, or you could add sticker effect and filter as well. You could also add text like you could with videos, and pretty much all options available here. And go to the next page. All this one allows you to actually describe your posts just like a video. Use hashtag and mentions, and then post it to your profile. I think this is going to be a big change to TikTok, and I hope you will find it useful.